In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create this Ken Burns effect in Premiere Pro 2025. Here inside Premiere Pro, I have two clips down on the timeline, and here for the first one, I'm just going to click on it and go up here to Effect Controls, and then I'm going to select the stopwatch here for scale, and I'm going to change that to, let's go with 120. And then I'm going to go to the very end of the clip, and I'm going to change this to 100. And then whenever you play that back, you can see that it zooms out like so. Now you can also swap these keyframes around if you would rather it zoom in. So just switch places and then play that back. And I think that looks pretty good. Now to make your clip move up or down, we're just going to select this second clip here. Then we're just going to make sure that our playhead is pulled to the very beginning of that clip. And then we're going to go ahead and scale this up to something like 105. And then click the stopwatch here for position. And then let's go ahead and move this down just a little bit. It looks good there. Then we're going to take our playhead forward a few frames and we're just going to move this up. And then we're going to drag this second keyframe to the very end of our clip. And then we can just go ahead and play that back. You can also do this horizontally by just clicking the stopwatch for position again, clicking and dragging this over to the right, and then going forward a few frames and then dragging it back over towards the left, and then pulling that second keyframe to the very end, and then you play it back. And that looks pretty good. If you want to learn more Premiere Pro effects to take your videos to the next level, check out this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.